Come now to there's a brand called Nikamos, which has so many variety of products. I see this is a puff rice. So this is quite a normal puff rice. So one feedback which I really want to give them is that I don't know who is the owner of this brand or not. The packaging and all is quite good, but I see a little bit of, you know, the cover of the rice like husk in on the packet. So I think, you know, if you're becoming a brand, or if you are trying to give it a very hygiene factor brand, then, you know, we should all be taking careful of that. We should all be careful of that. Taking care of that, and I think this is also quite reasonably priced and quite a very simple plan which you will get it locally, but it has been packaged well and, you know, kind of trying to make it rich to the everywhere. So this is quite interesting. And this is also another variety of rice. In Manipur everything is, I mean, rice. Our staple is rice. So this is definitely a very good savory puff rice variety. This is quite interesting also. I've had it a lot, this one, because I really don't want to put on so much of weight also. That is why I just gorge on this. So this both, you can eat this while dieting, while you are on diet. These are not very oil laden, or this, I don't think there's so much of oil in this. You know, these are very plain and basic. So you can just take it off, and, you know, you can just buy it from the grocery store and you can have it, you know, while you are on diet and all. So these are quite interesting. Yeah, so last but not the least, this is a very upcoming brand in Manipur. So this is from Tare. So I really love this. The twist they give it, it's really nice. These are made from the purple rice. We have the purple rice, which is very what do you call, very specific to Manipur. You know, we are very adapted to that kind of I mean, that rice is really precious across India and across the world, but I have eaten in China, in Thailand also. So these are mainly a Southeast Asian rice, but I hope the quality of rice found in Manipur is different from that. So there has been a little bit of conversation on that also. So there's not a clear picture, but this bhujia, what in black, this aromatic black rice bhujia is quite a good deal, and I love the twist it gave. It's a little bit sweet also. I hope they're coming out with a savory one also. So there I have seen in two packaging, one I think maybe 5 rupees, or one is 10 rupees, something like that. Yeah. Yeah, something like that. So I forgot the price of this. This is very interesting because you know, we do have a lot of medicinal value of this aromatic black rice, or purple rice we call it. You know, when it comes and when you translate that and give it your own twist, it becomes very interesting. So I really love this because I mean, the packaging is really good. You know, this is an upcoming startup of Manipur, and they're pretty much doing good also. They have some other varieties also, I think, and it really tastes good with the coffee. I love having this with coffee, and with tea also, like milk tea. So these are really good ones. So my favorite now, let me choose my favorite. I mean, all of them are really good, and I don't have the guts to review them because they're exceptionally well done, you know, in packaging, pricing, which is quite important in making your products go in the market, you know, as the FMCG. These are all quite good products, but if I say I have to choose some favorites, definitely there has to be some favorites. This is the Kangla garlic mixture. These are quite a good deal. I love the this Tared Chakhao bhujia. These are quite a good deal. Then I really like this, what do you call, yeah, this one also, this one from PT Food Products. These are quite good also. And where are the banana chips? Yeah, so the banana chips are my favorite banana chips. They are really good. This bought are quite good. So let me also add them to my favorite. So yeah, so today I think I have done the review of this food. Maybe you know, all the mukbangers will do all the eating thing. I'm not showing it, you know, while eating, but this has been eaten by me and have tasted for many a months. It's just not that I picked it up, you know, yesterday and I'm doing it. No way. So I have done, I have eaten this for more than like maybe 5 to 6 months. But the popcorn is quite a new one in the market, I told you. I, you know, just urge to everyone across in Manipur also that let's support our made in Manipur products and, you know, make them really more hardworking, because the people who are behind the brands and who are behind the products, they're doing amazing work. Let's appreciate it, you know, let's appreciate the money, let's appreciate the products. So, you know, everyone, if all of our population buy these products, then I think we're going to give them the we are going to give them their blood back. So I think it's the right time to, you know, appreciate and buy all these products. So I hope that, you know, after this lockdown, if you really want to snack on something, you know, you guys should go and buy from all the you know, grocery stores, main grocery stores. You get it, you know, in some areas in Manipur. And also I would suggest as a business idea that if anybody or if somebody wants to start a snack delivery idea, you know, like let's say for example you have a, you know, idea where you can actually take all the snack from the brand side and you can deliver it. I don't know if somebody does it, but if someone wants to start as a business, why not? I've seen some of these businesses in the, I think US, they have this snack grad or something, you know, where they started, you know, delivering the snacks like every month to the to every individual who subscribe to them. So it's quite an interesting business idea if anyone wants to start. So let's see if somebody started business idea, and if people buy all our made in Manipur products, I'll be really grateful, and I will think it as a help from my side, because I really want these people to grow, these brands to grow, so that, you know, we have a mark of made in Manipur product all across India and the world. And I hope to see these products across to India first of all, and second we will, you know, just go after them internationally. So let's buy them, let's support made in Manipur products. I hope you will also do like I am doing, and we can all make, you know, our Manipur a very prosperous commercial state, you know, in India and across the I mean in the world also. So thank you so much for watching me on my YouTube channel. If you really want to see some of this beautiful content coming up, you know, do subscribe to my channel, and also share the words and share my video. Thank you so much for everything. Every time you're supporting me, thank you so much.